today we're heading into Kingston. We are going to the Girl Guides headquarters and we're gonna be going to a sports day. So yeah, I got my Girl Guides shirt on. So Central, we winning today.
Don't let this be our final song.
When you want me to take a loan by myself and snap, send me them too.
Okay. Well, church out here. You was a
Yeah.
One out of 28 still I said Kenji and more did it.
Hi. Hi, chat. Oh, we gone. Sure. Hi.
Hey guys, so I think I have been really bad at vlogging. So the weekend was, it was aight. It wasn't the best, it wasn't that fun, but I did have a teensy-weensy bit of fun. Friday was just a normal school day, and then Saturday I went out, as you guys saw. Yeah, so the Girls Guide sports day, not funny, sports day. And then today we went to church, got back, I got lazy, sat down a bunch, did some work for my sister, and now I'm going to church. And then when I get back, I'll just get back, eat ice cream, go to bed. So yeah, that's the weekend for y'all. Typical Shake's weekend. Yeah, so
Another one.
I feel like Usain in the cheetah print.